The Ukrainian State Emergency Service released footage on Wednesday of the aftermath of a Russian strike at a private eco-park in the Kharkiv region. The services reported that the stables and a guest house caught fire, with 2 men being injured by the explosions and the staff able to evacuate and save horses in time. The first such attack struck an industrial zone in the city and the second a residential area, according to Kharkiv Mayor Ihor Terekhov, where 1 person is believed to have died. A drone attack on the Daniliviska village injured 2 men aged 18 and 41, according to the regional governor, Ole Sinihavobov. Meanwhile, the Russian rocket attack early this morning destroyed several floors of the offices of the Swiss Foundation for Mine Action and damaged 6 of its vehicles. No casualties have been reported, with the attack happening early in the morning before any staff arrived for work. Since its founding in 1997, the FSD, a humanitarian non-profit organization based in Geneva, has conducted demining operations in over 30 countries. In Ukraine, FSD members of staff are deployed in the Chernihiv, Kharkiv and Donetsk regions, clearing agricultural land and raising awareness about the dangers of unexploded ordnance.